Hey guys, welcome to my gaming mouse unboxing. So this is a Jertech Rumble JR800 Macro Pro gaming mouse. So this mouse has a has RGB, also has a 4800 DPI, which is lower latency. So it responds faster to your input details. Also 1000 Hertz polling high-speed rate, which also is kind of a latency performance point. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the mouse itself. You can actually customize it with these gold plate and all, and not just the two key, right and left keys, but also the whole button area of the mouse. So it has RGB, as I told you earlier. The brand is Jertech. You may have heard of it. Yeah. So yeah. Also, it has a 20 gram built-in counterweight, so the weight is just perfect. And also, it has 6 macro buttons. So you got 6 buttons in total. Good for gaming again. So these are the 3 ways of the 3 ways that this mouse can be customized. One is like a really highlighted mouse in the left corner, and in the middle, which is my favorite design, with the gold and the plain black, which I have. But I can customize the mouse to your own preference. So in my case, I'm gonna be customizing my mouse to the gold. I'm gonna apply these gold buttons. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on that, so stay tuned for that too. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. Told you earlier, there is also a haptic feedback feature, which lets you feel a kind of vibration. Yeah, so it does feel good. For gaming, it's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, so first of all, you gotta pull a tab. I got a tab here, and then I'm gonna, then you're going to pull from this side. Oh yeah, there's a cable. It's already attached to the mouse itself. Yep, it comes off just like that. I think you have to pull it, yeah. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Okay, so you got the mouse itself here. So I'm going to take this, okay, and also this away. So here is a look at the mouse. So this is a plain black mouse. Oh wait, this has a stainless steel underbody cover. Well, which is so cool. Yeah, it's stainless steel, so yeah, it's a lot better build quality. Also, the scroll, it's so comfortable to scroll. Also, the mouse itself is really comfortable. The clicking of the mouse is so satisfying. When in comparison with other mouses, other mice, yeah. So I'm gonna be connecting it, and okay, once this mouse set up now, as you can see, it's it's really beautiful. For me, you may not see the full beauty of it. It's not really flashy at all, which I like, because I don't want my mouse to be a lot flashy, but it's a little flashy, just the way I want it to be. Yeah, also I forgot to tell you, the cable is actually a lot longer than a normal mouse. It's about almost like more than 30 centimeters at least. No, I mean, yeah, it's more than 30 centimeters, obviously, but it's longer. Wait, give me a second. It's longer than this cable. This is my previous mouse, and this is, it's longer than this cable, which is I'm holding right now. Okay, so it's a lot longer than, well, not a lot, but just a little longer. Also, the thread of the cable feels more comfortable, more luxurious. Also, it's feels like a more stronger cable, so it won't break or get damaged easily. So and overall, this mouse is really comfortable to use. Clicks are so satisfying. Like the response time is a lot faster than my earlier mouse. Yeah, it's really noticeable. So this mouse, from my opinion, is the best mouse I ever had, and for now, but I made. So yeah. So this is it for the video, guys. Please like my videos, share my videos with others, leave an appropriate comment on how I could improve on my videos, and yeah, and subscribe to my channel. Also share my channel with others also. Okay, bye.